lahat ng iniisip mo, pinopost mo, hindi ka content creator, emotional broadcaster ka. At sa video na ito, sasabihin ko kung bakit maraming creators ang nasisira ang brand dahil wala silang disiplina. Alam mo kung bakit maraming creators hindi lumalago? Kasi bawat galit, hugot, drama, issue, random thought, pinopost agad. Walang filter, walang strategy, walang positioning. At tandaan mo ito, freedom of expression is not freedom from consequences. Social media is not a diary. Social media is a platform. Hindi ito personal diary, emotional outlet, revenge board, or attention therapy. Kapag content creator ka, may responsibility ka. Kapag brand ka, may standard ka. Hindi lahat ng totoo kailangan i-broadcast. Sa dulo ng video, ibibigay ko ang 4 na question filter na ginagamit ng discipline creators bago sila mag-post. Huwag mo tong ma-miss. Bakit importante ang disiplina? Dahil ang reputasyon ay madaling masira. Trust is hard to build. Image takes years to create. Pero isang post lang, pwedeng masira lahat. Ang viral, madali makuha. Ang credibility, matagal buuin. Ito na yung 4 na question discipline filter. So bago ka mag-post, sagutin mo muna ang 4 na tanong na ito. Una, may value ba ito o may emosyon lang? Kung puro emosyon lang, hintayin mong humupa bago ka mag-post. Number 2, makakatulong ba ito sa brand ko 6 months from now? Think long term, hindi lahat ng ngayon relevant pa bukas. Question number 3, ito ba ay leadership post o attention post lang? Magkaiba yon. Leadership builds influence. Attention builds noise. Pang-4 na tanong, proud ka ba dito kahit makita ng future clients mo? Isipin mo, pag may sponsor, pag may brand deal, pag may business partner, gusto mo ba makita nila yon? Kung hindi, i-delete mo. Discipline is maturity. Ang totoong professional, hindi reactive, strategic. Hindi lahat ng issue kailangan may opinion ka. Hindi lahat ng drama kailangan may reaction ka. Sometimes silence is power. Just because you can post it doesn't mean you should. Kung gusto mong maging authority, you must control your emotions, your message, your timing, your brand voice. Ang discipline creator, intentional, strategic, focus. Hindi siya trending, pero respected. Content creation is not about expressing everything. It's about expressing the right things. Kung gusto mong mag-level up, stop posting randomly. Start posting responsibly. Start posting strategically. Dahil sa social media, ang image mo ay investment. Huwag mong sirain dahil lang sa temporary emosyon. Kung agree ka, comment mo, discipline mode, at paki-like, follow, and share na rin. Dahil sa next video, ituturo ko kung paano gumawa ng content calendar na may strategy, hindi puro feelings.